Good day, everyone. We are the Group 2, and our study is entitled A Marketing Study on College Students' Preferences Between Online and In-Store Shopping. The problem. This research explores the factors influencing college students' preferences for online versus in-store shopping, focusing on price sensitivity, convenience, product variety, trust, and shopping experience. It examines how these factors differ between both shopping formats, offering insights that can help retail businesses better target students aged 18 to 20. The study addresses the shift in consumer behavior driven by technology and e-commerce, while also considering the continued relevance of physical stores in shaping shopping decisions. In this research, it consists of two variables such as college students' preferences or independent variable and shifting students' shopping mode between online and in-store or dependent variable of the study. This study examines the shopping preferences of first-year college students majoring in marketing management at Northern Bukidnon State College Institute for Business Management, focusing on their choices between online and in-store shopping. The research explores how factors like price sensitivity, convenience, product variety, trust, and overall shopping experience influence their decisions. With the growing influence of e-commerce, understanding these preferences is crucial for modern marketing strategies, particularly in targeting young consumers. Data will be collected by survey questionnaires to assess how these factors drive shopping behaviors among students aged 18 to 20. To establish a strong foundation for our research, we reviewed several related studies that evaluate the evolving patterns of shopping behavior in recent years that is shown in your screens. Arnaudovska, Banskin, Semerkova, and Bodin last 2010 emphasized that shopping has become more convenient than ever due to technological advancement and increased internet use. Additionally, the descriptive study by Diallo and many more in 2022 explored the shopping preferences online versus in-store among business administration students in Iloilo City. These studies serve as a foundation for our research by emphasizing the significance of college students as a key consumer group and the influence of demographic factors on their shopping preferences. Building on this, our study seeks to provide updated insights into the shopping behaviors of today's students. This study aims to investigate the shopping preferences of college students, specifically comparing online and in-store shopping and exploring the factors that influence their decisions. A descriptive research design will be employed using a mixed methods approach to collect data through a structured survey questionnaire. The findings of this study will help identify whether students prefer digital or physical stores and why. The ethical consideration of our study are the following. Firstly, informed consent. Prior to participation, all respondents will receive a consent letter outlining the study's purpose, their rights, and the voluntary nature of their involvement. Secondly, confidentiality. All collected data will be anonymized to protect participants' privacy. Then, voluntary participation. Participation will be entirely voluntary, therefore, no student will be coerced or compelled to participate. Lastly, conflict of interest. The researcher declares no financial or other conflicts of interest that could influence the results of the study.